Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSex online support program. This is OSP round 3. This is the revision of previous topic that we have already studied in OSP round 2. Textbook Smart Science Skill 4 textbook, page number 49 till 52. Chapter is Heat and Temperature. Topic is How does heat travel? Resources required: textbook Smart Science Skill 4 and internet connection. Introduction or summary of the lesson is: heat travels from hot object to cool object. Heat can transfer in three ways. When an object gains heat, it will expand. When an object loses heat, it will contract. Today thought of the day is: all power is within you. You can do anything and everything, which means never underestimate yourself. Keep trying and try again until you succeed. Today's objectives are: today we will learn about how does heat travel. Heat can travel in three ways. What happens to an object when it gains or loses heat. And we will also learn about expand and contract. What is heat transfer? Heat is basically a form of energy, as we have already discussed. Heat transfer is basically the movement of heat energy from one substance to another substance. Heat always moves from a warmer substance to a cooler substance. As you can see in the picture as well, the arrow is moving from a hot object to a cold object. So basically heat is basically movement of heat is basically from a hot object to a cold object, and it will continue to move until both substances are at the same temperature. The greater the difference in temperature between the substances, the faster the heat will transfer. Types of heat transfer. There are three types of heat transfer. Number 1, conduction. Number 2, convection. Number 3, radiation. As you can see in this picture as well, the modes of heat transfer: conduction shows through the object, radiation means through rays, and convection means through any medium. We will learn one by one. Number 1 is conduction. Heat transfer by conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact, which means molecule transfer energy to the molecule next to them when they are in direct contact with each other. The molecules don't have to be the same substances, they can be different. For example, warm water and cool water. The metal which is placed between two cups, one is warm water and one is cool water. The metal conduct heats from the cup of warm water to the cup of cool water. This is the transfer of heat from a hot object to a cold object. Example number 2. This is the cold drink or Coke and ice in it. Your Coke becomes cold because the heat from the soda transferred into the ice, not the other way around. Some people think that our Coke gets cold because the cold from the ice move into the Coke, but basically the Coke which is hot becomes cold because the heat from the cold drink transfer into the ice. Question: why do you wear heavy clothes or warm clothes when it's cold outside? Because it keep the heat of the body inside. No matter what it feels like, cold doesn't transfer into your body. Number 2 is radiation. Heat transfer by radiation is the transfer of heat through the electromagnetic waves or the rays. As you can see in the picture, the food is warming up in the microwave through radiation. We cannot see these radiation, but it can keep the food warm. There is no direct contact between the substances, which means in radiation in process there is no need of direct contact between the substances. Example number 1 is: heat from the sun radiates through empty spaces to earth, which means sun emits heat energy through the rays. Example number 2: the heat from the campfire transfers into the marshmallows, giving you a yummy and gooey treat. Direct contact between the fire and your marshmallow will ruin it. Number 3rd type is convection. Heat transfer by convection is the transfer of heat through the fluid, which means liquid or gases, movement of current. This is the example. This is a closed room and a hot radiator. The radiator warms the room by warming the air around it. Then the warm air transfer heat to the rest of the room through convection. This is another example. As air above the roads warm up, it rises and is replaced by the cooler air, forming a convection current, which means, or you can say, a convection cycle. This picture illustrates all three types of heat transfer. Can you identify them all? Conduction, convection and radiation. Radiation means through rays, conduction means through direct contact, and convection means through any medium, which can be liquid or it can be gases. What happens when an object gains or loses heat? When an object is heated, it will expand and increase in size or volume. This is also called expansion. Different objects expand at different rates. Generally, liquid expand more easily than solids, but gases expand the most easily. Expansion joints in steel bridges. This is just an example of expansion. Bridge builders include expansion joints in their bridges so that the bridges won't break as the weather changes. When an object is cooled, it will contract and decrease in size or volume. This is also called contraction. Let's take a quick recap what we have learned in this video. Heat travels from a hot object to a cold object, and it can be transferred in three different ways: conduction, convection and radiation. Conduction means through direct contact, convection means through any medium which can be liquid or gas, and radiation means through rays. When an object gains heat, it will expand or increase in size or volume. This is also called expansion. And when an object loses heat, it will contract, which means decrease in size. This is also called contraction. Your today's task is you have to read the chapter thoroughly and learn the meanings of the difficult words. Solve the given worksheet in your notebook. You just have to write down the answers of the worksheet. No need to copy down the complete worksheet. Just write down the question, your date and day, week number, and just fill the blanks accordingly. Do neat work and click the proper picture and send it to me. Thank you.